Good evening, sir. This is Vasvi Padmasri from Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Today, my topic is about program on function without arguments and with return type. And my subject name is Introduction to Programming. Today, my topic is about program on function without arguments and with return type. First of all, what are functions? We can say that a function is a reusable block of code that performs a specific task. It can take input values, process them, and return an output in argument-free programming. Functions do not require any parameters, simplifying their use and making them easier to understand. Now, what are the benefits of argument-free functions? We can say that by using functions without arguments can lead to simpler code and fewer errors. They can be called without worrying about input values, making them flexible and easy to use. This approach to beneficial in scenario where consistent results are required without any external input. Now, what are return types? The return type of a function indicates the kind of value it will produce after execution. Some return types includes integers, strings, and booleans. By understanding the return types is a crucial ensuring that functions operate correctly and return the expected results. Now, introduction to functions. Functions are fundamental building blocks in programming. They also use to encapsulate logic and perform operations like plus, minus, into, and divided by, modular division, etc. etc. In the presentation, we will explore return types and their significance in return argument-free programming. By understanding these concepts will enhance your programming skills and improve code readability. Now, what are common return types? In argument-free programming, functions often return basic data type like numbers, text, or boolean values. Each return type serves a specific purpose, such as performing calculations by providing status updates or returning messages, which aids in clarity to the efficiency. Now, what are best practices? When designing functions, it is essential to define clear return types and ensure that they fulfill their intended purpose. Keep functions focused on single tasks, enhance reusability and maintainability. Following these best practices leads to more robust and reliable code. Now, what are the examples of functions? Consider a function that returns the current date or a random number. These functions do not require input but provide useful outputs. Such examples illustrate how argument-free function can be effectively utilized in real-world programming scenario. At last, we can say that conclusion is by understanding functions and their return types is critical and programming argument by using argument free functions simplify the coding process, making it easier to achieve desired outcomes. By applying these concepts, programmers can enhance their skills and create more efficient, readable code. We can say that by understanding any functions or common return types or any example, we can say that by using any critical programming also we can perform. Firstly we should know the concept so that we can program the functions easily. By knowing the concepts, you can program any such a difficult program also. So at last we can say that in critical programming also, argument-free functions simplify the coding process, making it easier to achieve desired outcomes. By applying these concepts, programmers can enhance their skills and create more efficient, readable code. At last, thank you.